Understanding the type code for the MSM S synchronous motors. MSM indicates this is an S synchronous motor. 030 refers to the motor size of 30. C denotes the frame length of C. 0300 refers to the winding type of 0300. NN means it cools via natural convection. M0 indicates it is equipped with a multi-turn absolute encoder. C refers to the cable tail electrical connection. G means it has plain shaft. 1 denotes that it is equipped with a holding brake. Frequently asked questions. What is the peak current? This MSM has a peak current of 4.8 amps. What is the rated speed of the motor? The rated speed is 3000 revolutions per minute. What is the motor's rated power? The motor has a rated power of 201 watts. What is the ambient temperature range? The ambient temperature range is between 0 and 40 degrees Celsius. How much does the motor weigh? The motor weighs 0.96 kg. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all Bosch Rexroth motor sales and replacements.